Hi, this video we're going to show about our mini type HDMI over fiber extender. So basically here I have this setup. I have a PC, then I have this converter, then we can get the HDMI output. So here's the fiber optic transmitter and we can check it out. So this is the HDMI port, and then we have the source connector, which is for the transmitter. On this side, then we have the fiber optic output. Then we have the link and power indicator. Here is going to be a micro USB-C for the power supply. Okay. So for this power cord, now we're going to just have it power down. Then we will have the power indicators light up. Then going to just connect to the HDMI input to the adapter here. So now I already have it connect to the input source, and here I have two core LC single mode fiber optic cable, and on this here's the display, and also same, and we have this receiver on the side HDMI port connect to the display, and then we have the micro USB for the power supply. So now I'm going to use these two core fiber cable. Just because this one is only single core and can work in HDMI fiber cable. So now I'm going to just connect the fiber cables, and I'm going to use the, let's check it out. I'm going to use the core 2. So this is the core 2 here. I'm going to connect to the transmitter side. So now I already have it connected. Another side, I'm going to use this one. So it's going to be the same. I'm going to use the core 2. It's going to be this one. So now I'm just going to connect to the receiver side. Check out. So now this display is detecting the displays which is connected to the fiber receiver. So now it's already showing up the contents on the video as the extension screen. And for the screen 2, and we can check out the resolution is going to be 4K 30 Hz. Okay, so this demo video basically is for the mini type HDMI fiber optic extender, and then LC connect fiber cable single core, then connect to the display. Okay, thank you.